Hey Dekoni fans, today we're going to take a look at how to change the ear pads on the Bose QC35. Now the Bose just use a simple clip style mount, so you just want to reach into the pad and pull it up and away from the ear cup. And you should hear it pop separate. Now to attach the new pad, you'll see that there's these little clip points around the ear cup. So we're going to take our new pad, in this case some Dekoni Choice Suede, and it has a ring on it, and we're going to make sure that those tabs clip onto the ring. So I like to use my fingernails. You can also use the cap of a pen or something, but you'll see that we want to get this whole ring under the bluish part of the ear cup. It's really important that you actually hear it click in like that, because a fully attached pad will get a better seal and allow the noise canceling to act properly and the headphone to sound as intended. Okay, so we got that. Now you have the new pads on your Bose QC35.